What's the next letter? How does R sound, mates?
Yes, obedient is.
Arg it is then.
Calvary Christian School of King presents
The Pirate Crusher.
by Johnny Duddle. Me dear fellow pirates, do you want to be rich? To get treasure beyond your wildest dreams? To find nuggets of gold as big as your sphinx?
Cha-ching! And diamonds and rubies the size of your eyes.
Just follow me map to claim your prize from a pirate friend.
We're gonna be rich!
All was unusually quiet in Port Royal, but if you listen carefully on the docks, down the alleyways, and in the candlelit taverns, you can hear the faint sound of a fiddle floating on the wind.
Outside the thirsty pirate inn, the fiddlers appeared. As they filled, they sang a song.
We were sailing one day, and what did we see? An island of gold in the scurvy sea.
An island of gold in the scurvy sea? For real?
With a fiddle-dee-dee, though we treasure for thee. Fiddle-dee-dee across the sea. That way.
Their shanty caught the ear of the dastardly Captain Purplebeard, and he bellowed out the window.
Treasure! Treasure! Treasure, you say? Show me and me through the way. Yes, I'm quite like treasure.
Me too.
And us, we want some.
Personally, I think treasure causes nothing but trouble. I like the way it twinkles.
It's
The sailors replied, as we sailed the seas, we scribbled a map, so that when we got home, we could find our way back. You cannot imagine the booty that's there, a huge haul of treasure beyond compare.
I can imagine a shipload of treasure. Diamonds and rubies and gold beyond measure.
diamonds and rubies and gold for us. Diamonds and rubies and gold for us. Diamonds and rubies and gold for us.
Ha-ha!
We're gonna be rich.
I can imagine bags and bags of treasure.
I'd rather have a bag of peanuts.
I like some new gold teeth. I'd like to fill me boots with lots of loot.
I want more treasure than I can eat.
You eat treasure?
Only the small pieces.
When life brings you heartburn, bring on the tums. Tum, 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 tum. The fiddlers unfurled their map and sang, we'll show you our map if you'll take us there. There'll be treasure enough for us all to share.
The captain smiled, and then he shouted,
By thunder, that sounds just like our sort of plunder. Or my name ain't Pirate Purplebeard to pin down. Finish your guard, lads. We set sail right now. Ooh-ah!
Hooray! Diamonds and rubies and gold for us. Diamonds and rubies and gold for us. Diamonds and rubies and gold for us. We're gonna be rich.
The sun was coming up as Captain Purplebeard and his cutthroat crew boarded their ship, the Black Coal. Behind them came the fiddlers, still dancing and singing. To find this island would have to be quick, for they say it performs a vanishing trick, and none who try to set foot on its sands have ever returned to pirate lands. Dun, dun, dun. So off they sailed across the sea, and as they sat down to breakfast, the fiddlers began again. There's one small thing we forgot yesterday, just a little itty-bitty thing. No big deal, really, but there's also a monster, or so they say. Sometimes he likes to eat the pirates that come for the treasure, and chew up their ships just for good measure.
A pirate cruncher. Be it made up for monstrous, it's no match for me. I am Captain Purplebeard. Sure.
And the fiddlers said, oh yes, we agree. It doesn't scare us at all. No sirree. Though no bones about it, it is a big old beast that likes nothing more than, well, a pirate beast. It can swallow whole ships in its whirlpool jaws. Though they do say it's allergic to scarlet macaws.
Well, that's a relief.
But remember, there are rubies and diamonds the size of balloons, silver and guineas and gold in the balloons. So grab it all quick or it'll have your tails. Now, Philly, let's trim those sails. But no one moved on the deck below. The crew looked around in fear and dread, a monstrous vision in each pirate's head.
Actually, I've never been that long treasure. Yeah, I'm not sure I can stay.
I forgot. It's the Parents' Point picnic today.
Let's give the ship cleaning instead.
We don't go home, we'll all end up dead. Go home? Any cowardly landlubber will be tossed in the sea. The only thing you should be scared of is me.
So with visions of monsters in every head, the motley old crew trudged off to bed. Go to sleep, go to sleep, go to
I don't care which, just as long as it makes me filthy rich.
We're gonna be rich. The next morning, the crew couldn't be sure, but the day before, they seen they had numbered one more. And the fiddlers told them, if you're too scared, you can always turn back to port. Why you're still healthy, save for scurvy and worse. It should be safer by far to return to the shore. And as for the treasure, you don't really need more.
Shiver me timbers! You should know by now that never ever can any pirate have enough treasure. And if there's a beach, it better beware. I can smell that gold. I think we're almost there.
Just then, from up in the crow's nest, there came a call.
Bend ahoy!
Arr! Forgetting their fear, now the promise of treasure was near,